about clapping. Nigerians love clapping. We are not in the church now.
Let's go to the business of today. What are the top 3 issues for AMAC? For me, lack of transparency and in budgeting is a problem. Lack of, or rather, inadequate waste disposal and waste management techniques. Disparity in education. The disparity in education is while children of poor men are at home for over 6 months. If they were from average homes or wealthy homes, they wouldn't be at home. Now, how do we plan to improve on waste collection? For me, recycling programs. And one of the biggest things I want to have is a municipal incinerating plant. Now, what that does is it not just burns waste, it also gives energy. So with that, you can even power over 20,000 houses, depending on where we locate it. Then you said, how do we address traffic congestion? One of the biggest causes of traffic, especially along Nyanya to Karishi, is touts. It is not even the road itself. It is the tout that congests the road, collecting tickets. Those things are unnecessary in the 21st century. That is why my vision is to digitalize AMAC. My vision is to make AMAC a mega city, investing in education, investing in infrastructure development, investing in health and well-being, investing in even environmental sustainability. No one's even talking about that yet. Then you talk about security. These are things I want to do.
Abuja Municipal Area Council is a planned city. With that, we need to have each of the parts of our area council in terms of districts. We need to have fire stations in our district. We need to have a recreational facility in our district. Those things are not available across our district. Basic infrastructure, we do not have them across our district. We have situations where we do not have drainages. We do not have drainages. We do not have playgrounds for our children. Most of our public plots have been diverted and converted to personal use. We are aware of some of these issues, and those are the issues we intend to tackle by reclaiming public plots that have been diverted and ensuring they are put to use for the good people of Abuja Municipal Area Council, ensuring we have recreational facilities around that will service the people of that district and that area within Abuja Municipal Area Council, and ensuring that we have drainages, we have road networks within our communities. In my community, for example, we contribute to make sure the roads are motorable. We have situations where the drainages, we have to contribute to ensure that the drainages are cleared. So some of the issues I intend to tackle in terms of infrastructure is to ensure that these basic necessities are provided for our people. Secondly, we have security. Security is a major challenge. I want to be able to implement community-based security vigilante systems, whereby we protect our own communities. We volunteer, we offer volunteers from houses and partner with the local vigilantes to be able to ensure our own communities are secured. If we secure our own communities, others secure their communities, we will not have the kind of rising crime rate we have in the country today. Thirdly is education. For education, we do not have one tertiary institution in AMAC that is affordable to the common man. We need to do something about that. We can actually have tertiary institutions with the kind of budget we have in AMAC. We can have institutions where our children don't have to go to other states when they come of age. Also, we need to prioritize the salaries of our primary school teachers. They've been on strike now. We should ensure as top priority on our agenda is to make sure that our children are back in school. This infrastructure and education security are some of the issues that we need to address in AMAC immediately. Lastly, we have health. Our health centers are debt-trapped, to say the truth. We need to be able to upgrade our health centers. We need to be able to equip them. We need to be able to have human resource employed in our health centers. And we can do this through public-private partnership. We can ensure that the private sector's resilience comes into play where we run our health care. Health is wealth. We know that very well. If we are not alive, we cannot even be here today. We cannot even be okay.
1 minute more.
Thank you. Now, what we'll do to tackle waste? We need to be able to set up waste recycling plants. We need to make money from waste. That's the only way waste will go away. To keep Amak clean, we need to set up recycling plants. To address traffic congestion, we need to set up bypasses. Bypasses and also tar some of the roads that should be motorable. If we set up bypasses, personally I spend 10 to 15 minutes every day in one particular junction taking my kids to school every morning. I want to do something about that. I want to ensure that the Lokogoma junction congestion, just like many other junctions within town, are addressed. And it's simple. We can create temporary or permanent bypasses where we can use for the meantime before the full Abuja plan is put in place. These are some of the issues we seek to address. And finally, we have other issues that we would love to address.
Time up. Thank you.
I was former chairman of Abuja Municipal Area Council. That was when I was just about 29 years old. Only 29 years old, I became the chairman of AMAC. And within 9 months before Abacha died, because it was the death of Abacha that removed us from AMAC. They dissolved all of us and pursued us from office. But within that 9 months before Abacha died, I built Otako markets. At 29 years, I built Otako markets and I mapped out a layout for Otako residents. I also assisted me and Ikeji and Clark. We built day markets. And if the traders' residency is Saburi. Those who know Karishi, if anybody is in Karishi today, Karishi was in darkness when I was chairman. I came to campaign. They were using lantern. I said, what is this? They said there is no light. I said, give me 2 weeks. I will electrify Karishi town. How I wanted to do it, I never knew. But God was in control. I went to my minister. I begged. He said no. I smiled. He said no. I cried. He said yes. When a woman cries for a man, there's nothing you cannot get. Put your mother back in AMAC, and your new possibilities is assured. Now, the third 3 questions. 1, what are the 3 issues facing AMAC? 1 is security. When I was council chairman, I called all the DPOs. From my security vote, I put them on salary. I said, I don't want kidnapping in AMAC. I don't want pickpockets in AMAC. I want the residents of AMAC, when they sleep, they close their 2 eyes. Can we do it, DPOs? They said, yes, ma'am. If the necessary equipment were given to them. We were able to buy them 3 police vans that time. And I promised the other ones that before I finish my 3 years tenure, then it was 3 years, I was going to give all the DPOs a vehicle in AMAC. And to be honest, when you encourage police, you have security. Because they know what to do at any given time. Then the next one is poverty. We are hungry. If you never tire of this hunger, me, I don't tire. Follow the person who sabi road. I am the person who sabi road. Follow me, let's go there. And our life will be better. Because I will not stop at just the powers of AMAC. I will extend it. When I build Utako, my minister who sent them didn't want to give me approval. He didn't want to give me approval. I wanted my way to the villa. The president now said, Minister, give this young girl approval and let her fulfill her
1 minute
campaign.
more.
Let her fulfill her campaign promises. And I got my approval. Give a woman sperm, she will give you children. Give a woman peace, she will give you a home. Give a woman bread, 1 naira, she will make you a good meal. I am that woman that will take Amma to the next level. We are tired of this suffer. Vote Princess and Asue Ighodalo. Vote Mama for a better Amma. Thank you very much.